Reminder, always follow the instructions on the label and wear proper PPE.
What's up guys, Stevie from Blackout Detail back here at Superior Products, and today we're going to feature a maintenance detail on this Mercedes. Not very dirty, so not going to require a lot of time, but the A01 kit is going to be perfect because this is going to be all of your staples needed for both interior and exterior. Dirt buster, perfect, pH balanced. We're going to get the wheels, tires, leather seats, perfect for cleaning and dressing, as well as floor mats, so stay tuned. Dark Fury is perfect for bugs, also good for wheels, brake dust. Typically dilute this 4:1, but you can go anywhere from 4:1 up to 10:1, just depending on how dirty your cars are. Make sure you always shake up your product. This one, again, diluted 4:1. Spray it in the inner barrels, then on our faces. Just let that sit for about 30 seconds. And we're gonna use two tools here. I like to use the Easy Detail brush. Gets into the barrels pretty easy. Next, we're gonna use this soft tip. Faces. All right, last but not least, we're gonna use muscle. All right, next up, we're gonna use Muscle Magic. So this is diluted 4:1 as well. All-purpose degreaser. You can use this as an engine bays and wheel wells. That's what we're gonna use it for here. Always shake it up, and you're just gonna spray it in the wheel wells. Dwell for a couple minutes, and then you can use any kind of a brush. I like to use this one because it's soft and gets into the grooves. All right, next up, we're gonna do Dirt Buster. So this is the perfect pH balanced soap, very concentrated. We're gonna show you using this in a foam cannon as well as the bucket. Here we go. Dirt Buster in our foam cannon. We got about 4 ounces in this, filled the rest with water. This foam can is perfect because you'll see the nice thick suds. All right, so next we're gonna show you using Dirt Buster in a bucket. So this is 3 ounces, just in like a little Dixie cup. Just pour it in, push out your cup. And once you got it in there, what I like to do, use your pressure washer and get some suds going. I want to get my gloves wet. I think I got another one in there somewhere. Maybe not. There we go. Washing outside or have a black car, Formula 4 Spray Wax 10:1 is your go-to. This stuff is a lifesaver. You can see this panel has very little protection on it. If I wet it down, no sheeting, no beading. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray your Formula 4, and you can see it instantly starting to sheet the water. If you're working in sun, you wanna make sure you spray it down as soon as possible. For you guys who are trying to do a quick wash and wax, Formula 4 10:1 is a lifesaver. You can get 11 gallons out of this stuff, so super cheap and economical. Mostly used for a drying aid though, so if I'm washing a car outside, I'm gonna spray this down. Then I can almost blow dry it or towel dry it. Oh, another benefit is wheels. So wheels don't usually get some love, but this is a really easy and cheap way to wax your wheels. Should I read it with my Barry Manilow voice?
Go ahead. Shake well, spray on, wipe dry. Product will produce a deep, brilliant, quick shine.
We are going to feature the Easy Shine. This is a gloss enhancer. You could consider this basically a quick detailer. If you dilute this 1:1, you can actually use this as a clay lube as well. So we're just gonna use it as a quick detailer. I'm gonna put it into a spray bottle as such. Exhibit A, Easy Shine. Spray on, wipe off. Mist. Spread with one side of your towel. One direction, not to be confused with the music group. Opposite direction. Flip towel, dry side. Mr. Miyagi. On this episode of Superior with Steve, got Road Warrior here, perfect degreaser. We've got 4 cups of water. We're going to add 1 cup of the chemical Road Warrior. So that's 4 to 1. You don't have to get overly complicated. If you like to do dilution ratios, Google dilution ratio chart. It'll give you all the specifics on if you're diluting in a 16 ounce, 32 ounce, gallon, 5 gallon. So, like I said, we're not going to make this overly complicated. We're doing 4 to 1. So we got 4 cups. We're going to add our product to get to 5. Got our empty spray bottle. Got our fancy funnel. Road Warrior, diluted 4 to 1. Shake well. Spray well. Get it down in the grooves. Let it dwell. Release your dirt, grime, candy, stains, hard water stains, salt from the winter. Next, agitate. You have 2 options. Option 1, manual. This is easy. All you're doing is scrubbing. Second method, most detailers and prosumers like to use, the handy dandy drill brush. Much more efficient. Thank you for watching Dilutions with Stevie. See you next step. This is your stain remover. Can be used on carpets. We're going to show you some off-label uses today. So we're going to show it on the door panels, on the seats. Citrus-based, has a beautiful scent. Reminds you of, sunny Florida, oranges. You will notice, if you ever buy this, the product will always separate. So there'll be kind of a liquid at the bottom and a white foamy liquid at the top. So whenever you're using this, shake well. In today's use, we've got this handy dandy spray bottle, Superior Products. Zap It is ready to use. Do not dilute it, no need to. So today, since we're doing our maintenance detail, spray it liberally on our towel here. And we're just going to wipe down the door panels. So given that it's citrus, it'll help cut into those fingerprints and body oils that are on all of your door panels and steering wheels. Next up is Aqua Gloss. So this is a water-based dressing, can be used, so versatile. Can be used on tires, engine bays. We're going to showcase it actually on the interior. So you can use this 4 to 1, you can use it 10 to 1, you can use it 30 to 1. It really just kind of depends on how much sheen and shine you want. Today we're going to show you 4 to 1. So we're going to use it on door panels. We're going to use it on the leather seats. And to do so, we've filled the nifty Superior bottle with product, diluted at 4 to 1. And you can use this in a variety of ways. So you can apply it to the towel. You can spray it directly on the door. You can spray it directly on the seats. Has a lovely scent. You can use an applicator. You can use a spray gun. Just so many different ways you can apply this. Just gonna show you the easiest way. this side. You can see in places where we've applied it, you're starting to see the shine. And the beauty about water-based dressings, not oily, not slick. The water's there to carry the dressing, but then it will dissipate and just leave you with a nice dry sheen. Probably hard to see in the light, but you kind of already see the kind of clear distinction there of what's dressed and what's not. Hey, for you beginner detailers, here's your detailer tip of the day. Took me a while to learn this. When you put your floor mats in and you don't know which one goes on which side, just look at the logo. The logo always faces outside. Last but not least, always the cherry on the top.
Not part of the kit.
Not part of the kit, but a must-have. Coverall, really don't need to shake it, but it's just habit. All right, so there you have it. We just knocked out the A01 maintenance detail on this Mercedes, both inside and outside. Let us know what you think. What do you think of the A01 kit? Things you like, things you don't like. We welcome all feedback. So questions, comments, concerns, drop them in the comments below, and we'll definitely see you next time.